Hello everyone, welcome to the English We Speak with me, Fei Fei.
And hello, it's me, Rob.
So, Rob, I see you're working from home again today.
Well, there's not much choice under the current circumstances.
That's true, but what do you prefer? Do you like working at home or working in the office?
That's a difficult question to answer. I mean, I like being in the office. I get to see everyone, it's very sociable, and we get to work together, Fei.
Yes, but surely you enjoy working at home too. It's quiet and you don't get those annoying interruptions.
Well, that's true, and I can eat as many biscuits as I like without people complaining.
Well, I think blended working is the way forward for you.
Ooh, blended working. What's that?
Blended working is a new expression that describes a mix of working at home and working in the office. It's another way of describing flexible working. Let's hear some examples.
New technology has helped me with blended working. I can now do many of my tasks at home. Our company is introducing blended working. It will help with my work-life balance and provide more desk space in the office. I've asked my boss for a more blended approach to working. Let's hope he agrees.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're learning about the phrase blended working, which describes a mix of working from home and your place of work. So, how do you like the idea of this, Rob?
It sounds great. So how many days can I work at home?
Well, blended working means being flexible, so it benefits you and the business. It's happening more and more, but it doesn't work if you're not self-motivated.
Self-motivated? I certainly am, and working at home is great. I can work in my pyjamas.
Just make sure you don't wear them to the office.
I won't. Bye.
Bye, Rob.